So today I am going to demonstrate how to use the number one necessity for doing number two outdoors. The Krap Strap. Alright, so this is the Krap Strap. You can see it's got some nice pockets for carrying stuff you might need for this type of action. And it's got two belt loops, which is kind of cool. So the one up here you can use just to hold to you. And then this guy, this is what really does all the awesome work for you. I'm going to demonstrate on this tree. So take your Krap Strap, wrap it around the tree, and secure it. Clearly you have to have a small enough tree to be able to do that. And then it's all about the leverage. But you really, if this is a real incident, you gotta be careful about, It's actually really comfortable, the two though. I mean, I'll never go number two outdoors again with the, this is really comfortable actually. I might just take my time.